Hello everyone. Today we will discuss application of edge detection. My name is Vipul Pitalia. My group member is Sanket Agarwal, Raghavendra Vandre. Overview: Introduction, block diagram, edge detection, type of technique, input output, application. Introduction to digital image processing. Use of a digital computer to the process of digital image through an algorithm. It's allowed the wide range of algorithm to be applied. Input data can avoid problems such as build up noise and distortion during the process. Image processing is a method to perform some operation on an image in order to get enhance the image or extract some useful information to it. Digital image processing among rapidly growing the technology, and there is a three steps of image processing: importing the image via image acquisition tools, analyze and manipulating the image, output in result which can be related input or report to that is based on image analysis. Block diagram. This is a block diagram of edge detection system. Input image, read image, measure edge strength, search local direction maxima, smoothing, thresholding, edge linking, edge detection image. You give one image of the input image and then process and gives the output of detection of edge trigger or edge detection image to output of its process. Edge detection. Change in intensity of pixel. An edge is defined as a sharp change in a pixel value in an image. Edge provides the boundary between different regions in an image. This object boundary is a first step, maybe a computer version algorithm like edge-based face recognition, edge-based obstacle detection, edge-based target recognition, image compression. That is an example of compression or recognition edge. Type of edge: various of intensity, step edge, ramp edge, roof edge, ideal edge and real edge. Step in edge detection: filtering, enhancement, detection, localization. Then filtering: the filter image to be improve the performance of edge detector with respect to the noise, suppress much noise as possible without destroying true edge. Enhancement is a enhanced size pixel having a sufficient change in a local intensity to enhance the quality of edge. And detection or identification edge or threshold. That means determine the pixel should be a describable to noise to which a trends, that is a threshold edge magnitude. And localization: estimate the edges and determine the extract edges location. And techniques: Rubit's operator, Sobel operators and Prewitt operators. It is an example of Rubit's operators, Sobel operators and Prewitt operators. Gx is equal to O 2 into 2 matrix 1 0 0 minus 1 is equal to gray image what 0 1 minus 1 0. It is exchanging the values of 2 by 2 matrix to multiply each other, then get a output of your image. Type of filter in an edge detection: then Zobel filter, Prewitt filter, Rubit's filter and Sani filter. Zobel filter is in use an image processing and computation version particular within edge detection algorithm, whether it is create a image emphasize edge. And Prewitt filter, it is a discrete differentiation operators. And Ruby filter, it is a square of a difference between uh, square root of a difference between the diagonal adjacent pixel. And Sani filter, it is a multi-stage algorithm to detect the wide range of edges of an image. MATLAB code: this is the link for the MATLAB code. we are using input image of x-ray of human leg to output of Zobel filter. It is show in this picture. First is x-ray picture and output of the Zobel filter is this white or black show in second picture. The various application of age detection. First is a fingerprint. First is a input of the your fingerprint, then to filter out the Zobel filter, Rubit's filter and Prewitt filters. Second application, satellite image to capture the your satellite, and it is converted into the SANI based age mapping satellite. Or robotic version, it is detecting your car picture to the detecting the age of this car. And medical science, MRI scanner, and it is a filter out to the Zobel filter and SANI filter. Main focus in to use in this application or age detection system to GUI layout. Then you are selecting first picture to select the first select the input image of first image to select, and you choose which type of filter you choose, SANI filter, Zobel filter, Prewitt filter, and then selected, and let's apply to select filter of and showing the image of 2. There is a human leg detection system, human leg or a age detection system. After the implementing, to select the first pic of x-ray of human leg, and then select the Zobel filter and outputs of human leg. And this is for the MATLAB code to use the instructions and codes during this all programming of the MATLAB, to use a GUI concept to select the one picture and filter out the 4 type of filter. Use the SANI filter, Zobel filter, Prewitt filter, and LOG filter to get output show in of this video. To select first picture in your human leg or x-ray, to choose filter, Prewitt, LOG, SANI filter or Zobel filter, and then get applied. Then output of your SANI filter, output of your Prewitt filter, output of your Rubit's filter, and output of your LOG filter, and output of your SANI filter. This type of can do to detect any age of the any edges of your detection technique. Application and conclusion. Announcement of a noise image like satellite, X-ray, medical, text detector, traffic management, mapping, off-road, and video surveillance. Conclusion: reduce the unnecessary information in an image while preserving the structure of an image. Extract the important feature of an image. Recognize the object boundaries and segmentation. Part of a computer version and recognition. And Zobel and Prewitt operators are similar. These are the references, and thank you so much.